Amber, tanggalin mo nga yung upuan doon sa silong. Halika. Yun, kunin mo yun. Kaya mo, hilain mo lang. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, hila. Hello, magandang umaga mga friends. Check natin yung chain ng isang motor natin. Maintenance day. So nilagyan natin ng langis saka grasa. Ayan. Susunod naman yung bearing sa sa sidecar. Medyo matagal-tagal na natin hindi lalagyan ng grasa. Okay, balik lang natin to. Itong chain cover. Okay. Bali mas maganda kasi kapag naka chain cover, mas matagal ang hindi siya hindi exposed sa lalo na kapag umuulan. Saka alaga tayo sa langis, grasa or mga chain lube. Kaso grasa ang nailagay ko saka gear oil. 'Yun, so sa sidecar naman. So, humingi ako ng tulong kay Papa. Hindi ko kaya mag-isang ilagay yan. So, yun, nailagay na niya. And then, ready to baklas na. Pupukan. Hi, guys! Hi, guys! Ayun na. Hi, guys.
Anong ginagawa mo?
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Okay, ayos na. Ay, ang galing. Yes! Tingnan natin sa vlog natin.
Bye!
Bye! So, ayun lang mga friends. Nilagyan natin ng grasa at langis yung kadena, maintenance for the day. At saka dito sa may sidecar, dito sa may gulong ng sidecar, nilagyan natin ng grasa. Nilagyan natin ng grasa yung bearing para mas smooth. Mas smooth. O, sige Garod. Next time na naman, aming vlog. Anong pangalan? Anong pangalan ng channel natin? Marquisa Vlog. Eh, ano yung channel mo? Heart TV. Bye mga friends!
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I